tourists who come from around the world and the tourists, so please make some noise. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, so we would like to the third day of this amazing Thailand Countdown 2025. It's a great honor to welcome everyone to the Bangkok, the land of smile, the paradise to expo. Is especially this area is the heart of Bangkok and Thailand. Thank you so much for your coming to the third day and your collaboration. We would like to warmly welcome everyone for joining us. Take place from the December of 28 to the 31 of this year at Nakora Pirom Park, Maharaj Road, Panakorn District and Bangkok by the Ministry of Tourism and Sports in collaboration with the Tourism Authority of Thailand or TAT, proudly to present this grand event to deliver joy and celebrate New Year 2025, showcasing Thailand as the land of smiles, a true paradise for travelers. This spectacular year-end celebration aims to promote Thailand as a premier travel destination for both domestic and international tourists who come from around the world. The events had transformed Nakora Pirom Park right here into a spectacular venue to welcoming the new year and celebration together under the theme A Land of Smiles, a Paradise Expo. It highlights Thailand as a land of smile and a true paradise for the traveler as well. Ladies and gentlemen, highlighting the iconic of Phra Prang Wat Arun Rajawararam Rajawara Mahavihan behind us. So this is the surest architectural treasure of Thailand. This event established a distinctive countdown landmark for the country, and it served as a creative soft power initiative in the realm of the festival and position Thailand as a global countdown destination. And this area is free and entrance to welcoming ladies and gentlemen because we have the many activities around here. For example, in the workshop area, the first floor that you can join us because we have the workshop from the many parts of Thailand as well. If you want to learn more about the Thailand and you want to experience things while you travel in Thailand, so it's great honor to welcome once again. But the second floor, please take a seat because in a few minutes on the stage, the river stage right here, we have the performance by the cultural performance to be ready and serve to you to have the experience when you coming and when you are staying in Thailand as well. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, we would like to introduce and suggest you to going and expose about the Thai culture. So we have the many stations to learn more about Thailand. If you want to experiencing with the highlight of the regional attractions, the first one, please learn the art of batik painting from the southern part of Thailand, the egg sites and Amara painting from the Rantan Chiang Rai northern part of Thailand, the dragon pot painting from Ratchaburi center part of Thailand, savor the sweet at the traditional Thai dessert from Chanthaburi, the eastern of Thailand, and especially from the experience with Pita Khon Max painting from Loi northeastern part of Thailand as well. Ladies and gentlemen, all workshops are free of charge, offering a wonderful opportunity to learn and create your amazing day. Thank you so much for your cooperation and for your coming once again. Ladies and gentlemen, next I would like to invite you to watch a spectacular performance on the Thai cultural with the beat of grateful dance movement accompanied by the melodies of the contemporary Thai music in the performance title Ginnari Si Sayam and back to the Himapant Forest. Please enjoy the show. รบมือกับการแสดงชุดกินนรีศรีสยามด้วยนะครับถือว่าเป็นการแสดงที่สวยงามและได้เห็นถึงความอ่อนหวานนะครับพร้อมกับกินนรีที่มาร่ายรำแล้วก็อวยพรให้กับทุกท่านได้รับความสุขแล้วก็มีสุขภาพร่างกายที่แข็งแรงตลอดในปี 2568 นั่นเองนะครับ Ladies and gentlemen, that's what a performance by the title Kinnari Sri Siam that showcasing the graceful dance of Kinnari, half human and half bird. Performance beautifully portrayed the splendor of Siam linked to the Himapan forest as well. That we have the cultural performance on the stage left, but please stay tuned and please take a seat on the stage on the second step in front of the stage. Well. นะทุกท่านครับสำหรับในช่วงต่อไปเดี๋ยวเราจะมีการแสดงทางศิลปะวัฒนธรรมต่อนะครับก็ตอนนี้สำหรับท่านใดที่อยู่บริเวณด้านหน้าได้ยินเสียงแล้วก็เชิญขึ้นมาจับจองพื้นที่กันได้เลยนะครับที่บริเวณสเต็ปของด้านบนที่ชั้น 2 นี้นะครับ